So I'm one of the few students that played a small part in this project. I got to see the process of what it takes to make this car look like the way it did 54 years ago. It began by trying to salvage all the original parts and materials that came off this car, took apart everything and put it on these tables over here, separating them into what materials they're made out of, and shipped them off to get them cleaned and put them right back on this car. One of the few things that I worked on was the gas cap, or gasoline gaskets. They're originally made out of cork. They don't make cork gaskets anymore because cork gets broken down by gasoline fumes, and this is something you just can't buy. So my mentor Cole, he gave me a ruler, some scissors, and a razor blade, and a sheet of cork, and 2 hours later I made some cork gaskets, handcrafted. Breaks down gasoline. Gasoline eventually breaks down the cork gas. Gas cap gaskets.